What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So it's been a long time we haven't covered the themes from OxygenOS 16. So today I'll show you guys few OxygenOS 16 themes which can completely give a new look to your OnePlus smartphones. I'll also provide all the direct links in the description below so that you guys don't have to search for the themes. Just by tapping on that particular link, you'll be directed to the theme. And guys, I always suggest supporting developers by purchasing the theme from Theme Store. So here I have my OnePlus 13. We'll install the themes on this device. And you guys let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite theme of OxygenOS 16. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So one of my favorite theme is this one. This looks cute and futuristic. It also features small cartoon style robots with glowing teal digital time on the top. This is how it looks, and if you slide towards the right hand side, you can see it says how you can play. And the developer have mentioned all the things which are functional. And as I told you guys before, do consider supporting developer. The themes are not that costly. Maximum amount what I'll say, and that is 60 rupees. But you can still give it a free trial. So let's tap on free trial and see what all things we can customize and how does this theme look. So this is how the theme looks once you apply. You can see the home screen. All the widgets which I had applied are still there. And after that, if you scroll inside the app drawer, this is how the app drawer looks. Very neat and minimal. But guys, remember one thing. Control center and the settings page does not get changed if you apply the theme. And if I lock the device and show you guys, so this is how it appears on the lock screen. You have the option to enable dynamic. So once you enable, you can see these things in motion. And tapping on switch, you can also see the changes here in the reaction. To unlock the device, you have to swipe towards the right hand side. You get all the basic things like the battery percentage. You do have access to few applications. Tapping on them, you can access those applications. So tapping on Twitter, you can see Twitter pops up. Tapping on Facebook, Facebook will open up. And whenever you connect your device to the charger, you'll see this animation in the battery widget. So this is one theme which is my favorite one. After that, next theme is this one. Again, it costs 50 rupees. Tapping on free trial, let me show you how does it look. So this is how it looks on the home screen. If you go to the app drawer, here you can see the changes, and including the category section also gets completely revamped. Talking about the lock screen, you can tap on this icon to change the clocks. And here also it says slide to unlock. And towards the bottom side also it says how many hours left for the day. And you can also switch between dark mode and light mode by double pressing on the screen. Let's see if there are any charging animation to be seen. So I'll plug in the charger. So here towards the right hand side you will see a thunder icon popping up along with the battery percentage. So this is another theme which looks really good. And if you're the one who is looking for a theme which looks clean, soft and modern, then this one is for you guys. This also features a large 3D style digital clock. So let me apply this and show you guys. So this is how it looks on the home screen. If you open up the app drawer, here also it looks clean. Talking about the lock screen, here you can see that nice animation. And similar animation will also be seen when the minutes or the hours are changed. And in between it also tells you the day, date, month, year. It's kind of flip design. Let's connect the charger and see if there are any charging animation to be seen here or not. So on this particular theme, you don't get to see any charging icon when you put your device to charge. This is another theme which I like, and this one looks artistic. It uses that soft white background with green 3D elements, giving it a minimal yet premium feel. So let's apply this on a device. There you go. The app icons look so beautiful on this particular theme. And they are not only on the home screen, even inside the app drawer, you have that 3D look for the app icons. And if I lock the device and show you guys, so here you can see all the important things have been highlighted, rest other things are blurred out. Here it shows the timing, currently it's 6:31. Towards the right hand side if you see, we have the month and date, and here we have the day. And if I insert the charger here, there are no charging animations to be seen on this particular theme. This one is very clean theme guys. Prefer theme which looks dark, vibrant and neon heavy. This one is for you guys. It has a black background with glowing rainbow colored borders and icons. Let's apply this and see how does it look on a device. It's perfect if you like RGB lighting aesthetics and high contrast. It's a complete dark theme which you can see here on the home screen and even in the app drawer. On the lock screen you can see that edge lightning, and you have all other details like battery percentage, how many days left in this year, and here is a toggle. If you toggle it, you have options like you can stop this neon light, charging icon can be removed, and you can also add your date of birth. Now let's connect the charger and see. You can see that nice animation towards the bottom side where they have added this charging animation. You also have that thing which shows flowing current. And this is another minimal and simple looking theme which also feels modern, UI inspired and slightly futuristic. Let's apply this theme and see. So this one is perfect if you guys like minimal white setup with a subtle green accent. And all the icons do have that 3D look. Locking the device, you can see that nice animation whenever you unlock the device. Let me show you guys once again. So when I tap on the power key, you can see this is how the clock appears. And towards the left hand side, you'll also see those visualizers. Let's connect the device to the charger. So here we don't get to see any charging animation, but things like camera shortcuts are accessible. So guys, these are some of the best themes right now. You can find it on OnePlus theme store. I showed you guys 4 to 5 top themes, but in the comments, I'll mention all the links so you can directly find that particular theme and apply it on your device. Also, you guys let us know which is your favorite theme on OnePlus theme store, and also make sure to share the link of that particular theme. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.